2.5 feet around 2 p.m. Saturday. The National Weather Service in Charleston has issued a special marine warning for waters from Edisto Beach, South Carolina to Savannah, Georgia, out 20 nautical miles until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:01 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located over Calabogie Sound, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include General Gordon, Fish America, Gaskins Bank Wreck, Gaskin Banks, Beaufort 45 Feet Reef, Hilton Head Reef, Port Royal Sound, Whitewater Reef, Betsy Ross Reef, Calabogie Sound, and Savannah River entrance. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or nearest law enforcement agency. They will relay your report to the National Weather Service office.
What?
Here are the latest